Well, I'm out in Morden, going to London. Hope you're enjoying the vlog. Looks like the Lego shop's having an opening. Sorry. Fortnum Mason Studio, particularly good. Christmas windows. Whoa. Even the lifts are posh.
Ground floor.
when I'm out. A really nice changing guard at Buckingham Palace or something. I'll find out. It's about 12 o'clock, I think. I've probably walked about 3 miles right now. But as Monica was saying, with the keto diet, I'll either talk about it later or put her channel down below to give her a big thumbs up. My keto diet's completely deteriorated. I think I had 3 donuts, a penguin chocolate bar we have in the UK, and several other things. And my belly is popping my trousers now, and Christmas is coming, so that's a bit of a pain. But I'm ever hopeful that I am going to get into a training program for the new year, so I can get some of this off. Probably do a mountain climb, do Snowdonia and a few other mountains. So I'm going to continue along here, hopefully find some more Christmas windows. I just been to Fortnum and Mason, which was incredible. And I hope you enjoyed the changing guard at Buckingham Palace, because I did. Good little exercise and guards doing a quick march. I'm now walking down Pall Mall. I've chosen sort of bike lane. I'm going to move now to the main drag. And this is the route up to Buckingham Palace for those who don't know. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Okay, so I'm off the Mall now. I've just walked off the Mall into a place called Carlton Gardens, which it's just off the bike lane. Very quiet here, very peaceful. Good area to vlog. So I might do some future outdoor vlogs here. I'm going to pick up a channel now. I think it's Eating the Shit with Pat and Rick. Something like that. It's Eating the Shit with Pat and Rick. I think that's a particularly good channel. And I would say to you guys, watch it because it's awesome. And what else was I talking about? Oh yeah, my training schedule in the new year. I'm going to start training hopefully 3 times a week in the new year. Because I feel as if I put a lot of weight on because I'm eating like a complete Nelly the elephant, and it's not good. So I'm going to go on a diet, lose some weight, and not eat all the pies like I keep doing every day. Pecan maple danishes are my particular fetish right now. However, I did chocolate croissant this morning. One of the central London Christmas trees. Let's see if we can find some more on our missions here. I have no idea what's going on, but here are some random centres.
Cheers, guys. Thank And that was actually absolutely terrible for you?
There is some sort of unconscious message here. You can have a look at a big thumbs up in Trafalgar Square and guess what I am going to say next. Please comment, subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And yes, I do want a big thumbs up. And yes, I do want a big thumbs up from you all. It's awesome, yeah. It's in Trafalgar Square.